Hello, judges.
Hello, judges. We are Team Done Techno.
Our project is specially designed for children below 7 years to detect 4 big problems that go unnoticed. Our project is used by parents and pediatricians to understand problems faced by their young children. We have researched and found out that it's extremely difficult to find problems at a young age because children are unable to express, and at many times parents don't even know these problems exist. The 4 main problems that we have identified are 1. Color blindness. Color blindness affects approximately 1 in 12 men, which is 8% of men, and 1 in 200 women in the whole world. 2. Vision disorder. Almost 20% of children suffer from myopia, which is the most common refractive error seen at a young age. 3. Reading disorder. As many as 80% of students with learning disability have their root problems in reading. The good news is that 90 to 95% of reading impaired children can overcome their difficulties if they receive proper treatment at early ages. 4. Speech disorder. Over 10% of children have a communication disorder, which is among the most common disabilities among young kids, according to National Institute of Deafness and other communication disorders. For kids between ages of 3 to 17, nearly 1 in 12 has a disorder related to voice, speech, language, or swallowing. Myself, Neev, and my teammate Aarav will present a simple project which is like a game. Dr. Little. Dr. Little will help parents and pediatricians to screen these 4 problems. Now pass it on to my friend.
Now, let's demonstrate how Dr. Little works. The first screen shows the 4 problems and the game for each problem is designed to screen these problems in children. We have 4 disorders to be diagnosed. The first one is color blindness. When we click on color blindness, it will display pictures of various vegetables, flowers, fruits, and objects with clear color, and ask you to click the color that matches on the left-hand bar. Here, we have created a model of 6 colors and trained it using machine learning for each color with 60 plus samples. We are screening 3 types of color blindnesses, which are red-green type, blue-green type, and total color blindness. Let's see it, shall we? Blue.
No color blindness.
Yeah. Now the next one is vision disorder. Vision disorder. When we click on vision disorder, it will display text from big font to small font size. As vision is tested in ICAS centers, you have to read aloud these letters in the order that they are displayed. The letters then get smaller and smaller as you get them right. You jump from one level to another. The app correlates and checks for the letters you speak with the one which are displayed on the screen using speech recognition and OCR feature. Now we're going to check vision disorder.
Read the letters shown. Speech recognition will appear for 2 seconds.
I'm going to get this one
Read
right.
each letter.
Why?
Correct.
I'm going to get it wrong.
Next letter.
Okay. Okay.
You have number in range 0.25 to 2.
So yeah, the next one is reading disorder. Reading disability is a symptom when children jump between words and lines and don't read in a focused flow of words one after another. When we click on reading disorder, it will display 2-line text on the screen. Read and reply correctly. Using the OCR feature, it will check whether the answer given by you is correct or not. So if you're not able to read the line properly, then it will rate your reading ability accordingly. Sitting on a mat, playing on the mat.
Your reading capability is good.
Okay, now the next one is, and the final one is speech disorder. So when we click on speech disorder, it'll give option for 3, 4, 5 letter words to be tested with different phonic sounds. Some children have fluency disorder, some have articulation disorder, while some have voice disorder. Our app will help to detect discrepancy in speech and will also repeat the same to build familiarity with certain words and sounds. This kind of physical exercise strengthens the vocal cords and helps in articulation and phonological disorders. So yeah, this is the last one. We're gonna check only one.
You have to repeat after me for pronouncing the word. Click the word to try.
H.
Correct. Next letter. Say O.
O.
Correct. Next letter. Say M.
M.
Correct. Next letter. Say E.
E.
Correct. Now we will say the whole word. Repeat after me. Say home.
Home.
Great job.
All right, so now we can click on generate report. And once the student goes through all of these tests, the app generates a report, as you can see, for the parent or the pediatrician to ensure that if they are alarmed by any of the bad things, and they are reassured from the good things. But the rating, as you can see in the legend over there, where you see the 1 to 5, 5 to 7, and 7 plus, that's a rating from 1 to 10, where 1 to 5 means doctor requires the urgent doctor's attention. 5 to 7 means requires attention for increasing further, but for now it's a little bit like it's okay. And rating 7 is nothing to worry about.
Okay, so then problems are curable if detected early, and our project Dr. Little helps in early detection of these 4 problems in young kids. We enjoy this project and can enhance the scope to add more problems like writing disorder and hearing disorder.
Thank you.
Thank you.